YouTube has just introduced YouTube Shorts monetization, where you can make money off your YouTube Shorts videos on the YouTube Shorts feed. In today's video, I'm going to show you a powerful strategy that you can use with ChatGPT, an AI artificial intelligence tool that will automatically produce YouTube Shorts videos to monetize on your YouTube channel, not only through ad revenue, but through affiliate links, through funnels, and over 3 different ways of making money online and monetizing your YouTube Shorts page. And not only you can make money from YouTube Shorts on this, you can also make money by copying your videos onto Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, and TikTok as well to 3 to 4 times your traffic, your brand, your audience, and ultimately your revenue online from this. And not only are we going to be talking about how to make money online from this in today's video, content creation is one of my favorites and most powerful ways to build a business online by building an audience, building a brand, and building a loyal following basis that can produce a long-term longevity and passive income to your online content creation business. Without further ado, let's dive straight into today's value-packed video. What's going on, awesome people of YouTube? My name is Jay, your no-BS South African online entrepreneur, full-time trader, and affiliate marketer from South Africa, documenting my journey on my YouTube channel on various ways that I use to make money online. In today's video, we're going to be talking about something that is really trending, that is definitely not too late to get into. Remember, there is over 8 billion people in this world. There's always a market for anything, and that is the power of monetizing your online business through short video platforms, mainly YouTube Shorts in today's video, because they have just announced monetization on the YouTube Shorts. And not only do you have to create any of your own content, buy a camera, buy an expensive microphone like this one, you can use a tool and an artificial intelligence program called ChatGPT, and a second one that I'm going to show you that will put everything together for you to produce these videos for you in just a couple of clicks without recording your own content, without recording your own microphone, without even recording anything yourself. Take a look at this, guys. If I type create a 60-second YouTube short script on weight loss and I click on execute or run command, it'll automatically type out an entire YouTube script video for my YouTube Shorts that we can easily go and turn into a YouTube Shorts video with the following tool that I'm going to show you guys. Step number 1 is complete. Come over to this ChatGPT tool called Jasper.ai, which is the tool that's automatically going to specifically write out these YouTube Shorts scripts for the video that you now need to go and create with a tool called InVideo.io, which you can go and sign up for free, or what I recommend is to use the paid plan, which gives you the following benefits. With the paid plan, you can export videos in 60p HD videos. You get up to 10 Pro stock videos, 1 million plus premium media, and no watermark on videos. If you want to try this out and just get started, then I recommend the free plan. But if you want to do this properly and really have no watermark, top quality videos, then I recommend the business plan, which is $15 a month. So I'm going to log in with my existing account and take you through the process on how we're going to turn this script that Jasper.ai has created for our YouTube Shorts video into a done for you actual YouTube Shorts video. What you need to do is log in with your existing account on InVideo.io or create a new account if you don't have one. Once you've signed into your account, your dashboard will look like this. Go and click on text to video and it will give you a whole bunch of templates that you can go and use to transform the script that Jasper AI has created for you into a done for you YouTube Shorts video. Since this video is all about fitness, weight loss, and health generation, I'm going to go and choose this video over here of this person running. As the whole theme and template makes sense, make sure you click on portrait mode with the aspect ratio of 9:16, which is perfectly made for short video platforms. Click on use template, and on the left hand side under your script, really easy, right click, copy paste your script from Jasper.ai into the script section. You can then go and click on create scenes, click on yes over here for them to rearrange it for you. Again, click on generate scenes, and in a couple of seconds or minutes, this platform is then going to generate this entire script into a done for you YouTube Shorts video. And take a look at this. This tool has now generated every done for you scene for this YouTube Shorts video. It's just taking a while to load, but all the text is over here in a simple visual format. All we need to go and do is just add the different text images that are relative to this video. So all you need to do is just click on images on the left hand side, click on the search bar and go and search weight loss or gym or anything that's got to do with fitness. I'm sure if you search weight loss, you will find more than enough. I'm going to use this photo over here, and I'm then going to replace this photo with the following weight loss photo. I'm going to come over to scene 2. I'm going to remove this media. Again, I'm going to add, for example, these weights over here, and we can drag it onto our video. And quite simply, you can stretch this to the top and stretch it all the way out to fulfill your video. I'm then going to come over to scene number 3. Same thing. I'm going to delete this image. I'm going to add, let's say, this weight loss image over here. Click on the plus sign or drag it onto your page. We can then drag this image to the top and stretch it out to fit our portrait format. Just like that. Image number 4 on layer 4, I'm going to add another weight loss photo. Let's say this one over here of the different apples. I'm going to click on the plus sign and you can add your image just like this. And the third and final thing we need to go and do is add a voiceover. I'm going to click on voiceover on the bottom left hand side over here. All you need to go and do is under the voice section, click on automated text to speech. Click on generate voiceover. You can click on preview.
In the 60-second YouTube.
You can then click on add automated voiceover for all scenes. Click on add. Finally, you need to reduce the sound of the song that's playing in the background. Click on this song, click on volume, and make sure you decrease your volume to about 8 or 9%. And as you can see, your video is now complete. Once your video is complete, click on export on the top right hand side. Click on 720p or 1080p if you've got the full $15 package. Click on export and this will now download to your PC, ready to go and post on every short video platform that you can think of. And remember, YouTube Shorts is now monetizing your YouTube short videos directly. So we can go and click on download with free watermark over here if you've got the free platform, or you can download this in full HD 1080p if you've got the paid $15 platform. While this is busy rendering, I want to show you the second way that we can go and use to monetize these videos besides YouTube Shorts ad revenue. Come over to a website called clickbank.com. If you have not got ClickBank, you can also come over to JVZoo. If you've not got ClickBank, which is only acceptable in certain countries, you can come over to a website called digistore24.com, which is a great alternative to ClickBank, and most of the same products are already listed on Digistore24. But in this case, I've got clickbank.com, so I'm going to log in with my existing account. Once you've signed into ClickBank, your dashboard is going to look like this. Click on health and fitness, as that is what our product is all about. And over here, you will see, once this loads, all the relative health and fitness products that you can go and promote as an affiliate. For example, this product over here called Alfie Lean, which you will go and get paid $139.55 every single sale that you make. Over here, there's all sorts of other products. Make sure you click on diet and weight loss, as that is specifically what our product is about. And a great example that you can go and use is this product over here called the Smoothie Diet 21-Day Rapid Weight Loss Program, which is a 21-day program that will teach you how to lose weight by just eating smoothies. You can go and click on promote of this product over here. Before that, if you click on the direct link of this product, you will go and notice the landing page, the checkout, the selling material, the videos, the checkout buttons, every testimonial of clients that have used this program is already created, tailor-made for you as an affiliate to go and promote. So you can come over to ClickBank, click on promote, click on generate hop link over here, copy this hop link, come over to a website called bit.ly where we can go and shorten this long, nasty URL over here that doesn't look very neat. I can promise you not a lot of people will click on a link that looks like this. That is why we're going to come over to bit.ly or bit.ly.com to go and shorten this URL to make it more visually attractive and more clickable for the audience that watches our videos. Once you've signed into Bit.ly, click on create new on the left hand side, click on link, paste your long URL over here. For the title, we can type Smoothie Diet Program. For the custom back half, paste that same back half, and over here, click on for example, join. Go and click on your short URL over here, which you can go and click on create on the bottom right hand side. And this will now create your short link. So over here, I'm going to go and copy the short URL. Let's go and take a look if our video is done rendering. Okay, we're at about 70%, so about 2 minutes to go and our video will now be complete. Once your video is complete, click on download to your PC or download with free watermark. And over here, you can see this is now downloading to my PC. Once this video has been uploaded to your YouTube channel, it's very simple. Go and create a YouTube channel with an icon and channel art that you can use on canva.com with some really professional detailing to your channel art. You want to go and leave a link to the description with your short link or your custom domain URL to the specific weight loss program in your video description when uploading your video. For a good example for a title would be 21-day smoothie weight loss program, which you can go and get off clickbank.com. Over here, you can use the title of this ClickBank product, and in brackets, you can go and type how to lose weight in 21 days, just eating smoothies. Remember, YouTube Shorts just being monetized is the perfect platform to go and promote right now, because YouTube is going to be pushing a lot of content creators out on the Explore feed because they are really wanting to keep up with TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels. Remember, all of these companies are in competition together. Short content creation is very new to social media, so this is why it is a great time to capitalize on this opportunity. And this way, once your YouTube Shorts feed gets monetized, you can make money off your videos directly with ads monetization, and secondly, with the affiliate links in the description of your video. The third thing I want to quickly talk about with you guys, if you guys have been following me for quite some time, you would know that I'm a full-time prop firm trader off of YouTube, where I generate anywhere between $6,000 and $10,000 a week on my funded trading account. On average, I risk about 0.5% per trade with a very good risk management and risk to reward ratio when trading the market. I've been trading for about 4 years and 2 years full-time off of YouTube. The last couple of months, I've created a Discord with a full in-depth SMC course, ICT course, liquidity course. Every single one of my trades are posted live in my live trading room, which the last 2 weeks we have had a full 100% win rate. Before that, we've averaged about an 80 to 90% win rate. So in a month, we generate anywhere between 8 and 12% per month on our funded accounts. Every single trade is posted live on the Discord that you can go and take with me, as well as the analysis, the full course, and instant funding passes to your funded account that we can pass in 2 to 4 hours. If you want to go and get access to everything in this Discord, I will leave the link down below in the description. That will send you automatically the login to this Discord. But without further ado, make sure to go and click on the Discord link down below if you want to go and join me in this trading journey and become a full-time pro funded trader in this community with about 400 members and other pro traders in this space. So what I recommend is go and click on the Discord down below, and I'll see you over there inside.